2D cooking game stuff. Hoping today we're going to have a little bit more progress. The other day was a bit of a failure again. We did get a few bits done. I think we used the actions instead of references in the level controller, so that was quite good. There was some stuff I wasn't quite happy with it, but yeah, it's still decoupled and did what it meant to do, so that's good. Right, let's have a look what we're going to do today. So what I want to do today is add a countdown timer for the levels. I'm going to start with this. I've also got an idea of how I might fix this blade functionality, or particularly how to show the debug.drawArray drawLine thing. I seem to have figured that out. Let me just get rid of this. I was just playing with some stuff there, but I want to start fresh. So yeah, let's jump in and do this countdown timer. I really wanted to do that slice functionality, but I'm trying not to get bogged down too much with things that are not actually getting in the way of the level. I mean, it's not as clean. Like you can, let's have a look. It's not perfect. It's not ideal. The touch stuff, but it works. It's functional. So for now, it's not that important to me. So yeah, that's where we're at. Right. So anyway, forget that. A countdown timer. Oh, get off. What we've got here. We've got the score level. So I'm going to modify this HUD a little bit. We've got level text. Right. Let's. We need to go into the actual prefab. We just want to shifty stuff about a bit. Can we? Oh no. Can you use the arrow keys? That work? Just gonna shifty it that way a little bit. It's more the score, to be fair. These two. What I might do is with the score. How do you? So look, character wrapping is enabled. Overflow. I want to truncate. Is that the one? What happens if I? Oops. Oops. It's not truncate. It's what's the other thing? Scroll right page linked. Nope. 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 I want you to make it smaller. Scroll rect. That is none of the things that I want. Override tags. Auto size. So if I compress this character's width up to this value before reducing font size. Don't like that. Okay. Oh, okay. That's why. Yeah, let's go with 50 there. Okay, so now if I um, are those centered? Centered and centered. Apparently so. Doesn't quite look it to me. Hmm. Uh, center. Hmm. It's a bit strange that. Anyway, let's. Does look funny that. That looks better. Could just get rid of score, couldn't I? What do we think? Or I could just change these two to have slightly smaller text. Font size could be 30, maybe 120. Yeah, that's a little bit better. And then move these across a little bit. Oh, the score, I forgot to do the same for that one. Copy. $120 now. So 120 is the max. Yeah, I prefer that. That looks a little bit better. Let's go with this one. Put it there. There we go. And then the timer, we'll add a new thing here. New TextMesh Pro. We're gonna have in the center. And we need to scale it up a bit. This should be centered, centered. Why is it all squished? Tell you what, I'll just delete that and duplicate this. Timer. And then this, we want to do... We don't want to auto size this, but we want to make it 120. Bold. No, middle, centered. Okay, let's have a little look at this. Oh, hey, Kaijo, how you doing, man? You good? Ooh. Okay, that looks okay. Yeah, not so bad. So this is like a 2D cooking game. The aim of the game is essentially, let's go again. So you gotta remember this color. You have a starting color here in this pot. And when you start, well, on PC you hold space, but on mobile you're gonna have to press this area here and hold it with one finger. And then once you do that, then you swipe to kind of like that Fruit Ninja style functionality there and chop these up. Oh, that's not working correctly. And that's basically it. And then you got to remember the color. And I've already forgotten what color it is. Was it that? Oh, look at that. It's perfect. Although the scoring on this level isn't quite right. Wow, I've never got that close. I think that is actually bob on. So yeah, that's the basic thing. I'm still kind of new to Unity, so I'm learning the ropes a little bit. But yeah, thanks, man. The artwork still has much to be desired. It's probably my weakest point. Do you do much game development yourself? That's a point. I do want to just not working. Textract. Yeah, let's have a look. Content size, fit a component on the text box. A few small ones before. Oh, nice, nice. Are you using Unity or Unreal, or have you rolled your own engine or something? And do you stream as well? I'll come on over and have a look at your channel. Hey, thanks for the follow, man. Really appreciate it. Oh, okay, nice, nice. I'll come and check your channel out. I'm always up for watching other people, especially with Unity, because I'm kind of learning the basics. Yeah, I've been doing trying to stick to Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but I've been doing a lot more recently. Uh, Still got motivation at the moment. Seems to be the biggest struggle, but I've only just started out, so motivation's pretty high at the moment. When do you stream? That is just not working. Oh, it is off the screen actually. Maybe that's why. Oopsie. Do that. Oh, I'm not getting to. Right, let's just change that to 110. Nice. Motivation's through the roof. That's always good. Okay, yeah, fair enough. Yeah, it does seem. So I have tried to write stuff in the past, and I've rolled my own engine, which was great in terms of learning things, but I never got a game finished. So yeah, going to an engine like this is so nice. Just everything's done. There's almost always either an example online of how to do it, or it's just built straight in, which is amazing. So yeah, I can see getting stuff done is just so easy in this. I've hit a few hiccups where I've just not understood how some things worked, but the majority of the time I've resolved it within a couple of videos or something. Raycasting seems to be my biggest issue at the moment. I keep having trouble with it, but it's just you look at the Unity manual and you figure out what it is you've misunderstood. Yeah, I think Unity's great. I was looking at Unreal when I was trying to start out, but I thought the learning curve for this is not quite as high, and also there's more of a focus on 2D games, which for like a solo dev is it's a lot more easy to achieve than a huge 3D RPG or something that many people try and start out with. That's why I'm doing like this mobile game. I'm not actually a huge fan of mobile games myself, but I want to start small and try and get something done. Otherwise, I'll end up spending all my time designing an inventory system for a game that never gets released or something like that. Just check that this wrapping functionality works. In fact, what I should have done is increase the size. Let's just double check by doing this to 160. Yeah, I'm hoping so. Obviously, there's going to be a hella ton of polish going on. Like all of this artwork's probably going to get replaced at some point. But yeah, hopefully. That's the only thing that's like, do you release a game knowing that you might not update it again? Like this is like a very level-based game. Um, do you release it knowing that you might never put more levels into it? I always feel like you're letting people down. I suppose if I make it in a way that's easy to do that, well, I could always add some randomness to it. I'm never a huge fan of procedural generation stuff though, that's the only thing. But yeah, okay, that seems to work now. Oh, my score stayed. That's not right. Yeah, it always stays. That's definitely not correct. Okay, score. it back down to what it was it 120? Okay, here's the timer. How far off are you on your game? Are you anywhere near release, or is it still early doors? Okay, timer. Where's VS Code gone? Scripts. My first alpha build in 2-ish weeks. Wow, yeah. Okay, is it 2D or 3D? I'll have to just come over. I'm not asking you all these questions. A 2D one. Cool, cool, cool. For mobile, or is it an RPG or something? Or is it like a arcadey style game like this one? Um, what do I want? No. Start. I just put time. I could just call it time. Oh, nice. On the Switch, nice man. I've always thought it's quite hard to get on consoles, but it does seem a lot easier these days. It seems like even uh, your own consoles, you seem to be able to put dev mode on now, which is cool. I don't think that was a thing in the past. You had to like buy a full dev kit. But that's awesome, man. To be able to play something on like a console, I don't know. A mobile seems really easy and like you could just get it out there dead quick, but it seems really professional to get something on a console. Oh, really? Yeah, I've heard about a few of those. Yeah, I mean, you can't be releasing on mobile and thinking you're going to make any money off it these days, I think. But if you enjoy doing it, that's my whole idea for doing all this is I enjoy doing games. I want to be able to make something cool. My brain's not working now. I'll have to come over and check it out. I'm intrigued now. What, out of curiosity, like what software do you use for like your artwork and stuff? I've been using Krita at the moment, but I don't know if that's any good for like animations and things, or yeah, that's something I've not even delved into is animations, but I'm gonna have to pretty quickly. Um, can you do it? I don't want to do. Is it gonna? It's not like that, is it? Oops, not there. Wow. Ace sprite, Azzy sprite. It's free if you know how to compile it yourself. Okay, cool. I'll check that out. I know people have mentioned Spriter or something like that is another one. Um, I really like the idea of doing bone animation though, even with 2D, which I know Krita in particular doesn't. I don't think that uses bone animations. It's keyframe. You know, you draw it, move it about a bit, do the next bit, which is, I don't know. I seem to, my brain works better in bones and manipulating things like that. Right. Do I want to store current time? Yeah, time. And then text. Right, this is gonna have to be. So say if we start at 60 seconds, if we now cast this one in, that'll then drop to 59 instantly, even on the first frame. So we don't want to do that. We want to do a similar thing here. Yeah, programmer by trade. Okay. Thomas Brush, I'll have to check him out. Yeah, nothing exciting as this. Working on embedded systems, so it's all C. So this is working in C# is an absolute dream. It's just everything's there. Combine that with Unity, it's like, I don't know, it's like easy mode programming. Don't need to care too much about memory management or anything like that. Not yet, anyway. Apart from the garbage collector. Time dot. What do we want to do? Is there some built-in int stuff? I don't know. Is it math? What we got? Floor to int. No, I want seal to int, actually. Seal to int. That's the stuff. So that means from 59.9 as a flow, it should. Yeah, I think this will do it. Yeah, man. Oh, I'm so jealous. You just graduated. At least there's plenty of jobs. It seems to be one of the only industries that's not suffered from all this coronavirus stuff. I think that might do it. Is that going to work? I need to hook that up. Time I need to set. I'll default it to 30 seconds. And then let's have a little look. Oh yeah, no, I didn't hook it up. Timer. Oops. So, right. That didn't look right. Yeah, no, that does look right actually. Okay, we also want is running. Do we want to do? Whoa. If time. I want to do this here, don't I? Oops. So set that to that, then calculate the time. I also want to fire off an event here. I'm not sure I'm going to do that yet. Right, where's my level controller? Here we are. Game state. Started, ended, active. Is this a static? Nope. It should be really. I don't know why I've not made this a singleton. In fact, I might do. Yep. Level. Instance. That's I can't remember the C# syntax for this. Just get and set. Right, okay. Like that. Missing something like that. So there's no getter, no setter even. Alright. Itch.io page. I have no idea what itch.io is. I've seen it a few times though. But I'll. Well, yeah, what is it? I've heard it's something about hosting games or something. Right, singleton. So I've got a private instance. You can get it like that. That's not right. It's that. Doesn't like that. Ah, you can upload them, can you? Well, can you even upload mobile games? I guess I can release this game on PC, to be fair. Just wasn't originally kind of targeted for PC. I should do, really. I mean, there's no harm in uploading it in one place. It already works for PC, since that's what I'm developing on. What am I doing here that's wrong? This just does not look right. Does it need that? Is that what I'm doing wrong? Or does it not need them? I'll have to look for the syntax. Let me just see the syntax. Public, whatever it is. Oh, that should be static as well, should it? Ah, okay. Yeah. Fair. I'd love to get involved with the game jam. The only thing is, I can't do long weekends nowadays. I've got a little lad, so weekends tend to be reserved for. I suppose I could still do the odd one. Is it like that? What is the syntax? That is how I'm doing that, isn't it? Oh, right, that. Get return instance. There we go. That was what I was missing. Dot instance. If it's not null, then we destroy it and assign the new one to this. Yeah, I'll be up for doing a game jam pretty soon, to be fair. I just want to get a little bit more competent with all this Unity and C# stuff, really. Nothing worse than getting bogged down for a day, stuck on one tiny little thing. Right, let's see if we can do this now. See what this does, and I should set this to 5 seconds. Thank you, man. Yeah, I'll check you out as well. I'll give you a follow later on and see what you're doing. Good luck yourself. I hope your alpha testing goes well. See you in a bit, dude. Whoops. This is false. I need to hook up. Level controller. Take that. Needs to take something else, doesn't it? One of these. Where's the blade? is running. Ah, it doesn't like that, does it? I didn't need to make any of these changes. Let's just get rid of all that. Oh no, I did. Control Y is that thing. Ah, there, that was sick. Awesome. I'm happy with that. It seems to work. Yeah, it's 30. What did I default it to, the timer? Let's go with 20 seconds. Should be enough for most games. Okay, countdown timer. Smashed it. Pretty happy with that. The only other thing is, where else have I used level controller? Yeah. Countdown timer, that's the one I've currently got. So, yeah, here. Try getting rid of this. If I undo that. Let's see if it definitely uses the correct score when we do this now. And the correct, what it's supposed to look like here. So 7, pink, it's got peachy, orange, yellow, green. Yeah, that's right. It's supposed to be green. The target color is green, like that. go again. That was a target, yep. And that is what it ended on. Awesome. Alright, cool. I'm happy with that. Score not resetting, I'm not happy with. And we can do this by... Where do we want to do this? We should... start the level. Not in here. Let's go back to the code. Level controller. Set that back to 0. In fact, maybe that is the right place actually. Yep. So I'm going to split this data, I think. This should be like level data that's loaded in. And then I'm going to split out things that are currently running data. So like current score, current hue. These are the bits and bobs that I've got in here. So it should be target hue, saturation value, and then current score, and that's about it actually. Everything else is actual level data. It's only the current score and current hue that aren't. Yep. Anyway, so I think I'm pretty happy with this. Let's get this checked in. Oh, that's a point. Let me need to make sure I've applied all that. Level scene and a prefab. And this. I really would need to come up with some better fonts as well. I don't know where you get fonts from that are free online, but I'm sure there's like Google fonts or something like that. Because these fonts are a bit dull. Same with the buttons. I just... Okay. Okay. Yeah, just got that to use the static. Let's just have a quick look over this countdown timer before I... Oops. For less than 0, set it to 0 because it'll be under, possibly, reduce to the floating point in delta time. Then we call endgame. So we wouldn't actually ever get to this, to be fair. That's the point, when we end. I know it was doing. Call invoke. Oh, we need to set not running as well. Which it shouldn't matter because we are calling that. But just in case we ever change this or use this some other day. Let's just cut this as well. I don't like that. I prefer to do all the checking at the end. So we update the text. Oh no, that's why. Yeah, no, that is why. Ooh, no, it was working, so I shouldn't muck about with it really. In fact, this, I don't need that either. Due to the fact that I am using seal rather than floor, it will always go to 0 unless it jumps by. Actually, if it jumps by more than 1 second, yeah, let me put that back. If I have a massive lag spike where we don't do a frame within a second, it's just slightly safer to do it that way, I guess. All right, sweet. Let's give it a quick more run. One more run. Make sure it's working. I should reduce the timer. Another 10 seconds. Don't know how I got nothing there. The colours are the same. That's strange. So that's 90. That doesn't look right. Where's the colour change stuff? U plus equals change the speed. Okay, where's the end game menu? Calculate score. This isn't correct somewhere. So current hue, if the target hue is 0, yes. This doesn't take into account the fact that it wraps around. So anything near red can wrap in a not very nice way. Oh, I really should unit test this, but I don't know how to unit test in Unity. Anyway, oh. I'm happy with the countdown timer anyway. Git. Oh. Right, let's get that pushed. I want to just quickly add a bug. Bug dev. That's fine. That's enough. It's descriptive enough for that. I understand what it is. Okay. Okay, I'm up with the countdown timer. That's good. Good stuff. Background images. Change the blade functionality. Save data and create saves. That's an important one, but I haven't done enough research in that yet. Right, I'm going to have another attempt at this. I have a feeling I know what I did wrong in the past. Yeah, basically well, when I was trying to debug it, let's just solve it, right? I'm using, so all of these are using screen space overlay, which doesn't seem to be the right thing. Because if we, let's go with the blade. Alright, so where's the cut function? Update cut right here. So if we do debug dot draw line and take position, previous position, color dot red, right? If we do that, it should, got the gizmos on here, gizmos are on here, should show some red lines indefinitely, and it doesn't. You can't see them, but if we pause and take that, and menu, endgame menu, the score text, and toggle them off. Oh, we still can't see them. What else am I missing? Let's take all of them. Oh, where's my... Ah, it still didn't work. Okay. That didn't work. P's position and position. Screen to wheel point. They are, they're right. Okay, let me try something similar. Debug dot draw line. Oh, 0 plus vector 3 dot times by 10. Let's do that. So go with this one. So we should We get rid of all these. No, we do not. Why don't we? Okay, this is strange. I tested this earlier and it worked. Oh, if cutting. I'm a bit. Let's do that. No, yep, let's go with this. Still not there. Why is it not there? Okay, this is still baffling me. Oh, it's because. Oh, you can get in here? Try it now. Genuinely don't know where. What's that? Don't know what that is. Oh, this is baffling me already. Do draw ray. Start, direction, color, duration. Should do it. Right, let's try ray. Pretty sure this is what. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so now it's showing. I just must have had the calculation wrong before. So yeah, so there it's showing. Oh, but if we put any single one of these in, oh, it does still show that one. Oh, it's still kind of showing on that one. But if we put the hood back in, it's definitely gone. That one doesn't matter, but this one blocks it. So the thing with all these is what I need to do is I've got to stop all this. Turn those gizmos off, I don't like them. So any of these elements here, for some reason, screen space overlay is no good. I need to use this, add the camera. Yeah, that's fine. Which I think is the right thing to do anyway. The camera. Not sure what just happened there. And I bet none of this is right, is it? Canvas scaler, mixed. Nothing? So that's that. In-game menu, same again. Main camera. It's got to be do nothing. Foreground. What was the HUD? Sorting layer. Foreground. And I think so. Now, if we play, oh, so gizmos are on this one. Yeah, so you can see the gizmo there. So look at the gizmos. I don't want those. I don't know where it'll be here. Oh, anywho, turn them off. Okay, so I'm hoping that that should now show if I do this correctly. So right, so if you don't put anything, it lasts forever. So I should have a set of red lines all over this when I play. Which I do not. That's fantastic. Oh. That was weird. What was going on there? That's the one. See, they're not showing still. Oh, this is frustrating. Right, how am I going to do this then if I can't even... Try that one. Here we go. I am seeing it actually. I'm not. The length isn't enough though. Let's go with that. So the ray does seem to be working here. Apart from it's going in the wrong direction. Let's make it thicker. I don't want any of these to show. All these T gizmos, why are they showing? And I've told them not to. Okay. Alright, let's go with that's the wrong way round anyway, so it's position minus previous position. Get it to go in the correct direction. Okay. Well, that's good. I can at least get that now. Alright, so we can go from there at least. So we've got the ray. We've actually got a ray here. So let's see if we can fix this. Forget about that for now. So what are we in here? Update cut, which is called from fixed update, I think. And then we want to do collision detection based on this. So if we have a look at our, where was the class that did this already with the rays? The touch input and the input controller. So we should, if we take all this, in fact just take this piece, blade, update cut, I actually want to go from previous position. Yeah, this is exactly the same as this. So vector to what do I call this? Look. No, just direction's fine. But I think I need to normalize this as well. So look direction. Oh, we'll go with this first. This may not work, but we'll see. Log dot collider dot game object. Oops. Right, whatever. Let's just test it. Let's get it tested. Oh, this isn't testing it actually, I just realised. We need to... Where's the ingredient? Come on out. Oh, yeah, no, it doesn't matter. Get rid of this for a sec, and we'll go back in here. Here, dot collider. Actually, if hit dot tag equals ingredient. I think this is something I added recently as well. Then destroy it. Okay. So the ingredient prefab, each of these, blade, cook area. Let's give this one a whirl. Okay. Should we go? So we got our rigid top body 2D. Current trail. Just go again. So what am I doing? Doing array here. There's no length to it though. Distance. That's what I'm missing. Yeah, that's what I'm missing. So float distance. Well, for one, let's go back to the blade. First, let's normalize this. I'll do this incrementally because I don't want to mess everything up by... Where have I done? Right, let's get rid of this as well. This bit of code annoys me. If cutting, do that. So we should always be cutting. I want it. Okay. Look at the mess I've made of that. Make that 5 seconds. We've got all that seems to be fine. Now the length should be direction dot magnitude, because we only want to do it between the origin and essentially previous position here, which direction should be the whole length of. We shall see. As fast as I can. See if I think that's perfect now. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm much happy with that. Oh my days. Okay, get rid of that draw array. Should I keep it in just in case? No, I shouldn't. Okay, I need to add that. Oh, let's go back. Just look at the GameDev. Should add that velocity thing back in. Oh, God's sake. Here we go. GameDev assets. Scripts. Play. Oh, cut velocity. As if it's called that. That's annoying. If direction dot magnitude less than 2. Then do the raycast. Otherwise, don't bother. There's a lot of stuff to do with the collision collider 2D, which you don't need anymore. In fact, I'm going to get rid of the collider. Is it really better? Let me just double check it. Oh my god, this is so much worse now. It's not, oh, okay. What? Oh dear. It's this cut velocity thing that's throwing me off. What? Right, get rid of that. Didn't mean that to happen. It seems to have just dropped again. I don't understand what's going on with this. It's frustrating me. Where's the draw array? Let's put that back in. Oh dear. Right, try again. It's like as soon as I remove the collider 2D stuff. Let's just undo all that. See where the hell it went wrong. Let's go back. Put the collider 2D back in. Put this back in. Oops. Times 5. I will get this right. What if I actually change here? Yeah, as soon as I do that collider stuff, stops. Alright, so that's important, clearly. having a collider. I've taken away the code on the ingredient, right? Yeah. Yeah. Right, let's have a look at the blade object. The perforating they made for the body. Oh, I missed one then. Circle collider's not even getting enabled either. And it seems to be working fine. It's just when you actually remove it, which I don't fully understand. This is really strange. So the other thing, right, is if we take all this stuff okay. Move position. Oh dear. Blah blah blah. Oh, I don't know any of this stuff. So what I could do is call current position. Let's see if this makes any better. Head to current position. Take, call this here. Oh. Goal update cut. Get rid of that. This will go from current position. Oh, equals that. Change all these for current position. So this should hopefully. Oh dear, some errors. Where's my debug.log as well? I want to get rid of that. What were the issues? We'll clear that. No, it's just awful. This is so freaking frustrating that it's doing this. Eek. I just don't understand it. Let's try it with this. Let me see. I don't need this. DD. Eek. Oh. I think that's better. I'm going to go with this. I'm going to get rid of that for one. Get rid of that. I want to change this as well. I need to change the way some of this works. Public void slice ingredient. Blade. It's a game object, so it should be a ingredient. Can't just do that, can you? Dot get component. Let's go with that. What have I done with this? Did I delete the rest of that? Yeah. Okay, I think this is a little bit better. So I'm gonna go with this. Try, see what happens if I delete the circle collider. No results. Watch this fall to pieces now. Oh, yeah. Awesome. I'm happy with that. That is sweet. I'm gonna call that a victory there. Come on, get to the code. Yeah, added current position, got rid of all the color, added 2D, made update cut. Screen position gets passed into update cut. Alright, I'm going to say that's successful bug hunt there, I think. Okay. Creating some art. What else have we got? Create slice ingredients. Make it possible to switch touches for the cook touch area. Should we do this now? No, I'm gonna call it a night. I think that's me done. Alright guys, I think that went pretty well tonight, which was yeah, it's Much better than last night, which I'm quite happy with. Just gonna do one quick playthrough. In fact, I'll go to the main scene. Where are my scenes? The start scene. Save it. Level 1. Get that purple. I think the blade tray looks smooth as well now that we're updating in the can't remember what the colour was. Oh, it's purple, pink. That was naff. Try this one. Green. Oh, no point. Oh, it's really harsh, this level 2. Bit closer. 110. Alright, the drop off's pretty harsh on that one. Alright, sweet. Okay. Oh, the countdown keeps going. What's going to happen now when it end games twice? Okay. A little bug to fix there, I think. Didn't think about that. I might just fix this quickly if I can. If is running. Yeah. That's not right. Switch. There we go. Case. Okay, that's one case. Case. And break. So now, if we go again, $19, $18. Awesome, fix that. That was an easy fix, wasn't it? Switch, state. If it started, then set it to true. If it's ended, set it to false. And then if we hit time less than 0, we also set it to false, and we end the game. Fantastic. Fantastico. What have I done? Removed a component. I don't remember that. Alright, sweet. Another little quick bug fix there. Squashing them. Didn't even make a workout for that. Which is cool. Alright, anyway, thank you very much, guys, for watching. I'm going to jump off now. And I might do some tomorrow. If not, it'll be Friday. Anyway, thank you very much. And I'll see you all later. Bye now.